Well, the sun gray, we gon' shine. Let's pound it for lay. Welcome back to Glass House Maya. No Nobody Flyer. This is a vlog, or it's gonna be in a vlog. So I decided I was gonna just try my best to stay consistent with eating healthier. So this smells good. It smells amazing. I'm finna show it to you, but I'm just smelling all of the aroma. So I just cooked something up here. All right. I went on Pinterest because that's my problem. My problem is I don't like to eat the same thing all the time. So I went on Pinterest to look for like different meals that I can make that's easy, that's plant-based. I bought a lot of vegetables at the store, and I bought corn, rice, and beans and stuff like that. Yes, they said the red one was yours. They picked that out. Anyway, child, can't make a video in peace. So without further ado, let me just turn this camera around and show you what I'm working with as far as what I'm eating today. So what we have here is I don't know. It's like a taco, I guess. It could have been a burrito. I don't know, child. But I got some brown rice. I got some black beans. They're under there. You can't really see them, but they're there. Some corn. Some cut up like onions and celery and green peppers just to throw on top. I got some avocado. And I dropped a few drops of lemon just to, you know, give the avocado a little bit of taste. And on this one, I added some, what is it? On this one, I added some, it's like a sauce. It's Hernandez sauce. I can't think of the name of it, but it's like a cilantro sauce, kind of. And then it's on a wheat tortilla. So, and some roasted corn in there too, if I didn't say that. But that's how it looked. Okay. So it smells good. And I think what I'm smelling is the onions and the bell peppers and stuff like that that's here. So I'm going to give this a bite on camera so you can see my reaction to this, because I don't know. Okay, I'm trying to set the camera so you can see me and see the food. So I'm going to try the one without the sauce on there, without the Hernandez sauce. And y'all ignore what's in the background. Oh no, that's an ad. I'm watching these two guys here. But this how it looks. Okay. Let me finish chewing before I start talking. One of the things about eating is you want to be aware of what you're doing while you're eating. You know, you don't want to be doing all these other things. Pay attention to how you're chewing. Make sure you actually chewing your food before you swallow it, okay? And just savor the flavor. Be happy when you're eating. You shouldn't be mad or upset when you're eating your food. So I will say this tastes good how it is with no sauce. But the sauce, I know about to give me that zing. I don't even know if I bit avocado in that one. But I know this sauce is about to give me that tanginess I need. Yep, it's giving me that heat. It's giving me that heat I need. Didn't you just eat 2 things? Don't get on my bed. You're gonna knock my camera over. Yeah, go ahead. So, I think what I like about this, the black beans, I season them with, I seasoned the black beans with turmeric, garlic, and seasoned salt. And I may have put a little bit of complete seasoning, and that was it. I only seasoned the corn with butter and salt and pepper, and it's already sweet corn, so this has like a sweet and tangy taste with the sauce on there. So we're gonna see how my body feels about this mixture of food, and I'll come back and let you know. But this is good without the sauce and with it. I didn't want to put too much lemon because I didn't want too much acidic. That would defeat the purpose of this whole thing, you know. I don't want acidity too much going down my body. So I'm gonna enjoy my food. I'm gonna watch this and gigs, and I'm gonna be back in another vlog. Before I go, I did buy another flavor of caramel water. This one is the berry cherry. Damn, fun. When I tell you, this right here tastes like red Kool-Aid. A little bit watered down, but red Kool-Aid, and it still got the probiotics in there. This one is good. I think I might like this one better than I like the blueberry lemonade one. This one tastes good. Tastes like red Kool-Aid. Now I don't know which red Kool-Aid, but it tastes like red Kool-Aid. So y'all might want to try that one right there. But my gut has been pretty good. I did buy some more of those yogurts. I wanted to stop drinking them to see if they were making me feel bloated. But it could just be a combination of things. I don't drink these every single day. I may drink them every other day or once a day. See there, that was like that right there was like a comeback. So I'm gonna focus on chewing my food a little bit better. But this one is good. Like red Kool-Aid, okay? Get you some. So today is, what's today? Tuesday. It's nighttime, but I just want to show y'all my son's project. So he's supposed to use a 2-liter water bottle, which you can see there, and make his person that he chose, which is, let me see if y'all can guess in the comments down below who this person is. Okay, I'm gonna give you a hint right here. But this is what he had to make, and that's just a balloon that he painted. As you can see the paint strokes as we get closer to him. But it's so cool looking. That boy hair is crazy, just like the real person. But yeah, so who is it? Who is the character that child? Who is the person you see here? It's been days, okay? I found these. Never tried them before. But it's hard to find like just regular yellow mustard pretzels nowadays. Like back in the day, you can find these all the time. Because we used to get these all the time. Like this big old giant bag. Like it came from Sam's or somewhere, okay? Like a huge bag. And I seen this and I was like, oh, it's regular yellow mustard. Because the ones I find in the store now are the honey mustard, and I don't like that. Like I like to eat honey mustard, I just don't want it on no pretzels, okay? So these taste really good. They're really seasoned. It's called Pop Daddy pretzels. It's lip smacking, finger licking goodness and crunch. And I ain't lying, it tastes good and it has a nice flavor to it. Hand seasoned in small batches. So I'm gonna let y'all look in here. Ain't much left in here. I've been having this for a few days. But y'all see the seasoning? Can you see it? Y'all see it in the bag? So they just sticks, but they taste good. Look at all that seasoning. They good. But anyways, it's Thursday. My weekend is about to start. Why this side of my face look shiny? We looking shiny for no reason. But let me put this phone down because I don't want to hold it. I need to focus on eating these pretzels. I swear my hand's gonna have so many burns on them. It ain't even much funny. I done burned my hand at least 3 times this week already. And one right here. Can't really see it. But it's like a dark spot. It was like a big old pus bubble. But it you know, it just went back down on its own. But I just burned my hand like right here. I got some I got some Cormex on my lips. You know, my grandma used to tell us to put butter on burns. So I figured Cormex may do the same. Cormex is a car company. Cormex. Okay. But yeah, she used to tell us to put butter on our burns and things like that. So anyways, child, my car ain't even in park. What am I doing? I gotta go to Walmart to pick up my groceries. I did get a few new items that I never tried before. Of course, you know that's how I do on this channel. If you don't know, I like to try new things to see if I like it. So I found some cream cheese, and I don't normally eat cream cheese, but I did find some that was dairy free. So I'm gonna try, because I bought like some salmon that's already cooked, you know, like the little slices kind. It looked like it's raw, but it's not. I bought that with and some crackers, and I'm gonna put the cream cheese on there because I seen that on Pinterest and try that out. I may put a little bit of relish, dill relish on there too, but I'm gonna just try it and see how I like it. Otherwise, I'm just be eating the salmon and the crackers by themselves. But so I bought that, and I bought a few more other items like some yogurt. Well, you'll see in the video. All right, just make sure you tap that like button so I can keep pumping out these videos. And even if you don't, I'm still gonna pump out these videos. But it helps out the channel. It helps the channel grow. It gets the channel out to more people, all right, who may be interested in, you know, watching what's on this glass house. And then I'm waiting on my Temu package. I don't know if I already said that somewhere in this video, but it should be here between now and next week, at least by the 17th. Today's the 13th. And then I'm waiting on, I bought a bag off of AliExpress. It's a dupe. I think it might be the real thing, but I think it's a dupe. But I'm gonna show y'all that when that gets here. I'm trying to think what else I done ordered that's of any like significance. But no Walmart today. I was gonna go in Hibbett Sports to find my son some more shoes, because I feel like they trash shoes so bad, and it's not good. You know, they don't take care of them. That's why he loves these one pair of shoes, right, that he has. But he done wore these shoes down so bad that he wants to wear them every day, even to school. But I tell him those are play shoes. You can't wear those shoes to school. They don't look good. All right, you have a brand new pair of Nikes right here, and I want to get him another pair of shoes since he loved those so much. Similar to those, but not like the same exact, maybe the same exact one, since he loved them so much. But yeah, I was just gonna try and find something different for him to wear. But I ain't gonna make this too long, because I'm gonna show y'all the stuff that I got when I get back from Walmart. I'm gonna record this video real quick. As you can see, it's nighttime, and when we got home, it got chaotic, and I didn't have the energy to show you all the groceries. So I'm gonna just show you what I was talking about. Let me find it here. Where the heck did I put it? Bio Life 100% vegan original cream cheese, soy free, dairy free, lactose, gluten free. Okay, so I'm gonna eat this with my salmon. This lighting is trash. I got so much stuff in this fridge. I even bought some oat milk to try, and I already opened this. It tastes like
It say oat milk. It tastes literally like oatmeal. This is better. This is a little bit better lighting. I bought a bunch of pepperoni so they can make pizza. The sauce is back there behind me. What else is in here that's worth showing? It's just a lot of stuff in this fridge right now. This lighting is so much better. I bought, this is the salmon I was talking about. It's just smoked salmon. And so I'm gonna put the cream cheese on there. Cream cheese on there, okay, and some dill and some cracker, and we're gonna eat that. I also bought this for the boys so they can make their own pizza. So I bought some pizza crust. See it? You just saw the pepperonis. I got the mozzarella cheese right here, and like I said, the sauce is right there, literally right there, okay? And then I got some frozen stuff, some different like ice cream that I don't normally eat, that's also dairy free. I'm not pulling the ice cream out, it's just too much. It's too much stuff in the top of the freezer, and it's in the back of the freezer. But anyways, I got some Talenti sorbet ice cream. It's not even ice cream, it's sorbet. And then I bought another brand of ice cream that said it was dairy free. So when I open it, I'll try. You probably see that in another vlog or another video, but I'm gonna end this here. Y'all have a good night, okay? Because that's what I'm about to go do. I'm about to go watch All American Homecoming on Netflix, and I'm about to go lay it down, all right? I'm about to lay it down. See you in the next one.
Got me feeling like it's Sunday evening. Sun going down, but ain't nobody leaving. And you see it.